When someone doesn't value you anymore, try this one shift. It changes everything. Have you ever felt like someone doesn't see you the way they used to? Like you went for being their priority to just another option. It hurts. And the instinct to try harder, to prove your worth, to chase their attention, but here is the truth that only pushes them further away. The real power is in stepping back. Yes, stepping back. Stop pouring into someone who only shows up when it's easy. Instead, create space. Because space makes people feel your absence, and absence, it makes them realize that they've been taken for granted. This isn't about playing games, it's about protecting your energy. Redirect your focus, invest in your happiness. Start doing things that light you up, because when you become the best version of yourself, people notice your confidence, your independence, your peace. And set boundaries. People stop valuing you when you stop valuing yourself. Show through your actions what you will and won't accept. If they care, they'll rise. If they don't, they'll leave. Either way, you win. And here's the beautiful part. Once you stop chasing the wrong energy, the right energy starts chasing you, because people always value what they fear losing. If this hit your heart, don't scroll. Save it for the days you forget your worth. Share it with someone who keeps giving too much. And if you're ready for more truth about love, relationship, self-respect, and real connection, follow Couple Quotes, where we don't chase love, we understand it.